What's up, everybody? It's Blowover Productions here, and today we're going to be kicking off race number 13 of the Hulu Truck Series in season number 1 here at Darlington. So with that being said, let's talk about these points. In first place is Damon Wold, then you have Justin Joey, Eli Tabor, who won our last race, which was at Kansas. Then you have William Dobbins, Crazy Bob, Nick DiCaprio, Evan Ferran, Ryan Mazman, Rob Sachi, Riley Tabor, Cody Gomez, Chase Smith, Abel Bush, Potato Chip, Caden Dickinson, and our new driver who's going to be permanently taking over Christina's spot in the Hulu Truck Series, Hanako Suzuki. She's going to be the new replacement driver. She's got a whole new team, and we're going to see what's going on here today. So with that out the way, let's talk about our lineup. In first place is going to be the number 12 of Riley Tabor, obviously in his Lucky Charms scheme for Team Stray. On his outside is the number 92 of Crazy Bob for Gaming Motorsports. The camera's not switching. Hold on, what the freak? Alright, bro, what is going on? The camera's not switching here. But, we're going to have to do this row by row. Oh, my beta. Okay, I guess we're not going to... Alright, finally, there we go. Then you have the number 34 of Eli Tabor, who won our last race, which was at Kansas Speedway. He's starting in the back with Random Mazpan, and here is... here is Hanako. She's I don't know how to pronounce that. Oh, here's Damon Wool in the 77 for his PNC finance scheme. And right here in the 16. Okay, what the freak? This camera just skipped over her like 13 times. But she's driving the number 16 Toyota Tundra. Hopefully we'll see her on the track. So with that being said, let's get going at Darlington, boys and girls. Green flag out in the air. Let's go. Hopefully get to see more of Hanako's car. The camera for some reason didn't focus on it, but she's driving that black truck with the pink outline, the number 16 for Team Presence. That's going to be the new team that she's starting here to join the truck series. So give Hanako a warm welcome. We just had Gia Tran win the first ever YouTube Cup Series race as a female, so hopefully she'll also be able to show some girl power here at Darlington. She's already up to 5th. There she is in that 16. I think she's the first Toyota to join the truck series as well. So we'll see what she has up her sleeve today. Anyways, lap 2. Stage 1 ends at, I think, lap 8. Chase Smith with a huge lead right now, getting drafted with the 16, the rookie, Hanako, right on his tail. Potato Chip up high on the 51. Rob Statue down low on the bottom. He's going to get up behind the 16, settle behind Hanako. Potato Chip's got no help on the top side. Here comes Caden Dickinson and Riley Tabor, 2 Irishmen. Big push on the bottom for Hanako coming from Rob Statue. We'll see if they have the speed to get around Chase. Coming onto the backstretch, there's still double file. But Chase doesn't have the help, and Rob Statue is pushing the hell out of the 16. And she gets around him. Hanako to the lead. All right, I'm starting to see a pattern here, boys and girls. We saw this with Gia. She got to the front early, and she just did not look back. So maybe Hanako will do the same thing here. She leads her first ever lap. Potato Chip with a run on the bottom, followed by Riley Tabor. She throws a good block to the bottom. Riley moves down low. Potato Chip doesn't come with him yet. I think they just crashed behind. The caution lights are not out. Whoa! Potato Chip trying to turn Hanako there for a second. Coming off turn 4, it made a little bit of contact. I don't know what that was about. The 51, the 16, the 42, 12 in tow. They're going to have to push up if they want to catch up to Hanako before the stage is over. Caden himself isn't doing too bad. Eli is running 10th, followed by William Dobbins, Justin Joey, Random Mazpan, Chase Smith, and then our top 5 are right here. Potato Chip right behind the 16. Now he's going to get a push from the 42. Hanako continues to throw some blocks. She has to see where the run is. There it is. Potato Chip moves down. She can't block it. She can't get there in time. And now the 42 and 51 are going to get the lead on the bottom. Unless somebody moves up with her, they won't. Caden might come up. He's standing with the 99. They're going to settle behind Rob's statue. And now Hanako has been hung out to dry. She loses the lead with 2 laps to go in stage 1. Oh, wait, no, this is the last lap. Okay, here we go. Down the back straightaway one final time. Big push coming on the bottom for Rob's statue. Caden Dickinson wobbles a little bit, trying to stay behind him. Getting a huge shove from Chase Smith. And now Rob Statue's going to get a huge run off turn 4. And Rob Statue is going to win stage 1 in Darlington. Congratulations to the 42. Hanako looked like she had it in the bag. But Rob and Potato Chip worked their way around her. And Rob Statue is going to win stage 1 here at Darlington. So congratulations to him. So without further ado, we will see you in stage 2 for the Hulu Truck Series at Darlington. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Darlington, everybody. We are double file coming to the line for stage 2 as Rob Statue leads us back to the line with Caden Dickinson on his outside. He won stage 1, so we're going to see how stage 2 goes. Green flag back out in the air, Darlington. Let's go! Justin Joey right with his team right now, the 42 in front of him, and Eli up on his outside. Caden Dickinson for Hot Topic Motorsports. Nick DiCapuo's team is on the high side with William Dobbins. Oh, trouble behind coming off 2. Crazy Bob goes around. Damon Wool with him. The caution's going to come out. A little bit of a slide coming off 2 there. I don't know what that was about. We're going to have to go to the replay and see just what happened there. Look at the damage on the 77. Damon Wool, huge damage to his car. Engine is smoking. Evan might have got a piece of it too. But we're about to see here. So coming off turn 2, looks like he tapped Chase Smith in the left rear and just went down into Cody Gomez, who got him loose and slammed up into Evan, who and then hit the wall, and Damon Wool had nowhere to go. Slid right into his path, and it was a huge hit there. And they were just on for the ride. Luckily, Evan didn't get too badly damaged for him, so he kept on driving. Here it is from another angle. There's the contact. Comes up the track. Here's Damon Wool. Boom! Hard lick right there for the 77. Looks like he got the worst of that. On board with Crazy Bob. Yeah, it's going to push you hard here, so stay high. Nope, you're on the bottom. Okay, we're wrecking. You're wrecking here. You're wrecking. Oh, my gosh. You all right? Yeah, man, I'm okay. Okay, let's get it back going here. Good communication between Crazy Bob and his spotter, but with that being said, we'll see you on the restart. Welcome back to Darlington, everybody. Rob Statue is going to be leading us back to the green flag, followed by his team leader, Justin Joey, on the outside. 2x2 to the line. Green flag back out in the air. Stage 2 ended under caution. Winner was Rob Statue, so he's won stage 1 and 2 now. He's got one more to go. These last 10 laps will be the determining factor. Thanks to Crazy Bob and Damon Wool spinning, stage 2 ended under caution, and Rob Statue took the win for both stages now, and he's looking good to win the race, so we'll see how this plays out with exactly 10 laps to go. Hanako is actually running 10th right now, so we'll see if she can push herself back up here, and what happened earlier wasn't just luck. She doesn't look like she has any help, though. She's still kind of with the main pack, but she's got nobody behind her to push. Now, Caden Dickinson is going to get held up high with William that's William Dobbins on the bottom with Riley Tabor, his teammate for Team Stray. 9 laps to go at Darlington. William Dobbins is taking no time catching up to Rob. He's going to step out, trying to get a run. He can't get there. Rob had the better line right there. William stepped out a little bit too early. Going to have to just keep following the line until the very end. 8 laps to go at Darlington. That's all Rob Statue needs. But here comes William. Not letting up an inch. He's right on the bumper. Now he gets down to the bottom. It's going to be a side-by-side battle for first place. Oh, Rob's got that outside lane, though. He works it. He's working it real good. He's staying right with the 33. 7 laps to go. And Rob's going to start slowing down here. He doesn't have the push from his fellow drivers here. William Dobbins takes the lead. Holy crap. What in the stutter? Through 3 and 4. Nick is going to be the next one to challenge William for the lead. Potato Chip running third with Justin Joey fourth. Rob Statue a little bit into the wall. He's going to get fourth now. Trying to hold it in front of his team leader. Let's see if they try to work together here. 6 laps to go. Nick is getting a huge push from Potato Chip. Into the wall a little bit. Five-car battle for the lead. It's not really a battle, but we got 5 cars slightly pulling. Oh, 6 trucks pulling away from the back. Cody Gomez just went into the wall, I think. 5 laps to go. Does William have any sliding up the track a little bit? Here comes Nick with the run on the bottom for Potato Chip. Side by side for the lead, and now Nick DiCaprio is going to try to push to the front. With help from the 51, they get around William. Justin Joey in tow as well. William has lost the lead. William Dobbins is falling back, and now he's in the wall. Nick DiCaprio is the next truck to take the lead. He's got, 4 laps to go now. Potato Chip now has a run with every other truck behind him. So we'll see if he becomes the next truck to take the lead. Justin Joey, Riley Tabor, Rob Statue in tow. Hanako is caught up as well. She's going to get behind the 33. She's sneaking her way back up here ever so slightly. Three laps to go, folks. Nick DiCaprio is still leading. Nobody's making too many aggressive moves right now as they were before. Never mind. Here comes Justin Joey to the bottom. He just stepped out. He's going to move Potato Chip up to the high side. And now Potato Chip's probably going to fall out the draft here. He gets into the wall. 2 laps to go, I believe. And Justin Joey slides. He saves it. They're slow. Oh, they're slow. They're getting slowed up by Evan Ferran. Contact. Justin Joey slideways. He takes the 51 with him. They go off the track and save it. What a save by the 51 and 65. Riley Tabor went around with him. He also saved it. Evan Ferran is slowing up the whole field. Nick DiCaprio trying to get to the bottom. Coming around. White flag out in the air. 1 lap to go at Darlington. Who will win? Potato Chip takes to the outside as Evan Ferran slows up the inside line. They're slower. The Potato Chip sneaks around them. Nick DiCaprio can't get around the 8, and Potato Chip has a clear path down the back straightaway. It'll be the 51 for Potato Motorsports. Just got kicked off of Gaming Motorsports in the Netflix lower series. He's going to come off turn 4 with an amazing amount of luck from a lap car. Evan Ferran, he's going to take the win at Darlington. What a win by the 51. Just got kicked off with one of the best teams in the series and immediately wins at the Truck Series. That's how you get it done, Potato Chip. What a ride for the 51. Potato Chip is going to be your winner at Darlington. Congratulations to Potato Chip and Potato Motorsports. Man, it's these lap cars for me, man. They're always the game changers in these kinds of races. You saw Nick DiCaprio try to get around and made some good moves, but just couldn't get to the bottom there and almost wrecked the entire field. He almost had a repeat of what happened to Jaden Williams in Season 1 of the YouTube Cup Series. See my top 16 worst crashes in the YouTube Cup Series video for that. But Laura, they got caught up to Evan. I was just scared for my life. I thought we were going to have another flip, but race pretty much went caution-free. A very good, I'd say, running for the first ever Truck Series stage race. So congratulations to Potato Chip for that and winning that first race. And we only had 1 wreck, and it wasn't even that bad. Did take out points leader Damon Wool and Crazy Bob, but honestly, I think it was overall a good race for the first stage race, and hopefully we'll see some more good racing later on in the season. Obviously, Potato Chip, once again, is not racing in the Netflix lower series at the moment, but he sure did show his stuff today. And as for Hanako, she also did an amazing job driving her truck today. Led at least 1 or 2 laps, but unfortunately she got shuffled back to the pack. She finished pretty good in the stages though, so I'm pretty sure she'll get some good points from that. And congratulations to her overall for her first ever Truck Series debut. So with that being said, this has been Blowover Productions. This was the Hulu Truck Series at Darlington 1, and we'll see you at our next race for Charlotte 1 at Charlotte Motor Speedway. So with that being said, peace.